Hello there, culinary arts students. This is Mrs. Brown, and in this short video, I'm going to walk you through completing your first lab assignment. So in Unit 1, after you've completed all of the reading, you are ready to complete the lab. So for Unit 1, it is in Section 1.07. So if you go ahead and click on the graded assignment, all you're going to see is what you need to submit. You need to go here to 1.07 lab questions to find what you need. So it will give you some basic directions here. Please do read through those. I'm just going to let you do that on your own, and I'll talk you through what you need to do. So for each lab assignment, there are going to be 2 short little things to watch or explore, and then some questions to answer. So to open up for this lab, the video, you're going to literally just click on the title, and the title is the link to this short TED Talk to watch. So there's this one right here, and there's this one down here. Now, listen very closely. You do not need to complete both. I repeat, you do not need to complete both. Choose one. You get to choose which video you would like to watch and then answer the questions that go along with that video. You only need to complete one. So you may choose What's Wrong with What We Eat, or you may choose Ann Cooper Talks School Lunches. A little note, we will be using the What's Wrong with What We Eat in our live lesson and completing that as a class. So if that's something that you would like to use as a resource using the live lesson, then make sure that you do the What's Wrong with What We Eat. But if you're doing this on your own, you may choose which one you would like to complete. Okay, so let's say that you choose What's Wrong with What We Eat. You are going to open up the link. And then what you're going to need to do is literally copy these 8 questions. And then you're going to need to open a Word document and paste in those questions. Okay? And then I suggest that instead of watching this entire video and then answering the questions, I suggest that you answer the questions as you go. So the first question says, according to Mark Bittman, how is livestock harming the planet? I suggest you watch until you find the answer to this question. Name 3 ways. Okay? And then I suggest, besides junk food, go on to question 2. Besides junk food, what else does the speaker say Americans are over-consuming? I suggest that you then continue on until you find that answer. So do it one question at a time versus completely watching the video and then answering the questions. Next, I do expect that you are writing in complete sentences using a capital letter and a period. Okay, so instead of a 1-word response, I expect you to answer in complete sentences until the question is answered completely. And begin each sentence with a capital letter and a period. Those are the expectations for your answering of these questions. Now, let's say that, Mrs. Brown, I really, writing is challenging. I don't really want to write. There is another option for you. So you can still have these questions just up for you, but if you prefer, you can then record right here in the Dropbox, record video or audio, your answers. So let's say you wanted to record your answers. You just click record audio. You'd click new recording, and then you would say something like, question 1. According to Mark Bittman, livestock is harming the planet in these 3 ways. And then you would tell me the 3 ways. And you'd keep going until you have answered all of the questions. And then you'd click stop recording. And then you would click add. I'm going to click cancel. So that's another option for how you can complete the assignment. All right, that is how you'll complete each week's lab video. Questions? Remember, you only need to do one. You do not need to do both. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.